and welcome to Digit. In this video, we'll be unboxing the JBL Go3 portable Bluetooth speaker. Now, this is the front side of the packaging where it is completely transparent and we can actually see what the product actually looks like. They've stated that they are using Bluetooth version 5.1. On the right hand side, you have one message which just says grab and go, which is just sort of alluding to the portability aspect. And on the other side, you have the slogan, Dare to Listen. On the back side of the packaging, you have two features being called out. First one being that it offers 5 hours of playback time. And the second one being that it is IP67 rated, so that makes it waterproof as well as dustproof. Aside from that, you can see some bits of the speaker, aside from the massive manufacturer's contact information sticker. On the bottom, you have some regulatory information, stickers, declarations. And on the top surface, you've got the category of the product, which is portable Bluetooth speaker. So not much to see in terms of packaging. Let's just go open the box and see what the product actually looks like, even though we can actually see it completely clear. So you've got the speaker and you've got some documentation along with the charging cables. So there you go with the charging cable. You've got a couple of documentation. First up, you have a little booklet that has all regulatory information as well as caution notices, product notices, which you should obviously read to understand if there are any concerns regarding your product. It's mostly to do with legalese. Then you have the warranty card. Always go to the warranty card to understand exactly what is covered and for how long. Also, the Amazon listing page will have all the details that you need. Then you have a little note regarding the presence of hazardous materials like lead, mercury, and all those things. And as you can see, none of it is present. And the last and most important piece of documentation happens to be the quick start guide. This will give you an overview of all the features that your device has and how you can go about operating it. Then there's the charging cable. This uses USB Type-C on one end and USB Type-A on the other. It's got a little orange colored or orange highlights for the plastic on the inside, as you can see, makes it it goes along with the theme which JBL follows on their products, which are all orange in color. The cable is about 15 odd centimeters, if you were wondering. Then you have the speaker itself. You've got a nylon cloth-like finish that wraps around the entire surface. There's also a little lanyard or strap on the one end, which has got a little bit of elasticity to it. That's always nice. The charging port is right beside the nylon cable. And this is rated IP67, by the way, with an open charging port. We've got the JBL branding emblazoned on the front. Controls are on the top, so you have the play pause as well as the volume controls. On the back side, you've got the bass. This ends up being the bass in certain situations, and this ends up being the bass in certain other situations. Both of them have rubberized feet, so you won't have any nasty vibrations. Lastly, the power buttons are on the other side. So there's a power button, a little indicator LED, as well as the Bluetooth button. And that's it. That's the unboxing of the JBL Go3 portable Bluetooth speakers. Thank you for watching.